Naga micham taruk tamthina hat khibagi achumba wayel fanghanbada Manipur lengakna thawaidrabadi mihat asi national amadi international gi thakta pukhatuna issue hena chawthorakani haina Joint Tribe Council JTC gi General Secretary Dr. Aku Nyumaina phongdorakre. Manipur Press Club te pangthokpa pawgi mifamda Akuna micham taruk asigi maramda karisu khangde hairamba Cookie Joe organization amana mihat asi Cookie Joe na hatpani haina phongdoklaba fawbada lenga asina tumina leishinba asi laibak thibani lamdam asida saidangduna lakhiba Cookie singbu minungsi utuna changjafam pirubagi mahi oina makhoisu yelho furupni hairakpa khaktanatana iramdam asibu machetana thugainaba honarakli Asigumba tanfam asida yellow furup singna amata oina pun sinduna illegal immigrants sing asibu maru fangna tanthokhiba mathau tare haina pauzelakli Amaramda Naga micham taruki mihat kamari lenana lengakta miyamna langkhatkhiba charter of demand sing thabakta onthok triba fauba Jenims Kimirel sangdalei bahchang taruk lokhiroi haina JTC gi co-convener Jimik Wiju Namaina phongdorakli
And it is the right time for all the right-taking people of our states and indigenous people to unite together and eradicate illegal migrants from our states so that we can bring the peace. Otherwise, illegal migrant people always making trouble to the government of Manipur, even in the public sectors, everywhere they go. This is my appeal to look into the matter seriously. Otherwise, that will create a nation issue. If we don't prevent right away now, that will come to the nation issue and international issue as well.